What a beautiful little sight. Here's Missy, our female peacock, and her 3 babies, if you can see. And here comes Houdini, the father, all busy eating the grain and corn that we put out for them.
Where is he? Way up there on the other roof now. And I don't know, look at this setup. Got the bobcat holding things, the tractor holding things because the ground is so unlevel. Well, I don't know if you can see them way up there, but Julian and Grant, are you looking over the edge, Grant and Julian? There, where are you boys? Hello, Grant. Hello, Julian. Look what a great job they're doing on the house. Dad is pruning our raspberries. He's trying it with the hedge trimmer, and it's actually working out pretty good.